Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to erase data from your iPhone. First, ensure all your important data is backed up to iCloud or your computer. This is vital. Next, sign out of your Apple ID and all associated services, like iCloud and the App Store. Finally, disable the Find My iPhone feature to remove the activation lock and prepare your device for a clean slate. To erase your iPhone directly, open Settings, then tap General and find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Erase all content and settings and confirm your choice by entering your device passcode. This method completely wipes all data and settings, returning your phone to its factory state. The entire process typically takes less than 10 minutes to complete. If your iPhone is lost or stolen, you can remotely erase it using the Find My app or iCloud.com. Simply open the app or website, select your device from the list, and choose Erase this device. This action sends an erase command to your iPhone, protecting your personal information even if it is not immediately connected to the internet. Once the erase is complete, your iPhone will restart and present the initial Hello screen, confirming a full data wipe. This means all personal information and settings are gone, and the device is ready for a new setup. If an activation lock appears, you likely missed signing out of your Apple ID. You can resolve this by logging into iCloud.com.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.